All right, how you doing today? Another deal here from Native Instruments and Universal Audio. We also got some free plugins here and also a deal from iZotope. So let's check out this deal from Native Instruments right now. You can save 88% on the Universal Audio icons with UAD Native Instrument Bundle. All kind of plugins here, or you could get them 50% off each individual plugin featured in this bundle if you want to do that. If you don't want the whole deal, this ends in 19 days, 19 hours, 31 minutes, and 1 second from this video when I'm making this, which is, I believe, October 27th or 26th. I'll tell you that in a second because I'll look at the text here. But this deal comes with all these different UAD instruments. You got a bunch of different synths here. Anthem Analog Synthesizer, the Moog Minimoog, some other ones here, PolyMAX Synth. We got some organs. We got the LA-2A Compressor. We got the Tape Echo here. Got the FET Compressor 1176. We got these analog machines. These are pretty cool plugins for effects and stuff like that. Lexicon, Reverb, 88 Keyboard Studio, Rival Grand Piano. Yeah, so this offer is good till October 27th, 2025. There's also a really cool deal going on the iZotope reverbs here. There's 3 different reverbs you could get for 40% off. Plus, I have a coupon code. You get additional 10% off. It's KOCIS10. You put that in, you'll get 10% off whatever the 40% is. So it's almost 50%. Really cool reverbs. I made a different video on that. There'll be links down in the video description below for all this stuff as well. And then we got a bunch of free plugins. So here are some of the free plugins I've been playing with lately. We got this free vocal compressor here. It's a limited time WA. Got the free Eventide reverb. The Splice new instrument going on here. We got the free UAD Showtime 64 tube amp. UJAM has one of their effects plugins, the Finisher, one of their Finisher plugins. We got another amp here. So check out my other videos. I'll put links down for these ones in the video description below. There's all kind of free stuff you can check out as well. Check out the deals. Indeed, that is all for now. I will talk to you soon.